Are you one of the 300 companies that sell corrugated cardboard solutions in Europe? What makes you different to the other thousands of experts in your sector? You are probably thinking about your prices, service or positioning, but you are not thinking about what really matters. How long does it take to present a proposal to a client? What if you could speed up your sales cycle by 3 and cut costs at the same time? Imagine your entire factory in a single configurator with all of your production variables and possibilities. With Instabox 3D, you and your client can finally generate the ideal box and personalize it instantly in 3D with just a few clicks. You only need to input the desired measurements and upload the client's artwork for approval. Not to mention, you can manage all of your proposals in our Leads control panel. Offer the 3D experience to your clients even if you have e-commerce. Instabox 3D adapts to your sales strategy. In other words, think outside the box.